That is the MIPA International Building, where the office of AFIX is located at second floor, room 215. So we have to pass, walk, going to the pedestrian, across the pedestrian, and you can see this, the buildings around it. Okay. Soね、そうですね。まあ、もう一回言って。
台北
再生会。
中央病院。
中央病院。ああ、病院の近く。